For a place where we're supposed to make the most decisions, life can be totally unpredictable. From picking what to study to one of the most ultimate decisions of life, who you'll spend the rest of your life with. On this channel, Anjola and I have taken a few L's, from a missed honeymoon to more missed flights. With how wonderfully unpredictable life is, one thing we never would have guessed is that our marriage would look the way it does now, 4 years into the journey. From meeting at university to the huge decision of starting YouTube and building our little family and being able to earn and grow using our love of storytelling. Another thing we never could have predicted was entering a global lockdown in our first year of marriage, all bringing life into the world when it seemed that everything was on shaky ground. But we found our feet and grew our faith and this community here on YouTube. Also unpredictable, but all have led to a place beyond what we could have dreamed. As we get closer to 70,000 of you here on the platform where we started and plan the future of this channel, it's truly been such a wonderful journey.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. You may notice we're in a different space. We recently moved house. So many things have been happening, honestly, for the past couple of months, but we're so happy to be back, to hanging out with you guys. And this video is a little bit different.
Just a little bit. Firstly, Temwa's making me stand in my kitchen when I could be sitting.
No, but we have to show them the new kitchen.
Okay, I just wanted to sit down.
The kitchen is actually one of the best parts of this house, I think. Yeah. With the island. I have an island. But anyway, yeah. This video is very special. This video is in partnership with YouTube themselves, which is so incredible. Guys, you have taken us so far, and you are such a special audience to us because this is an original platform. This is where we began. We really want to share the highlights of this journey. There's so many highlights. Learning how to be better creatives, earning more money, which also helps, and there's so many avenues of doing so here, and then also growing as people.
Just saying that, I'm just remembering how we started, putting our iPhone 5 or iPhone 6.
I wish we took pictures of that. I'm so glad that we started with where we were, in the middle of lockdowns, in the middle of not knowing where we're going to find the community, newly married. We've grown so much and we really want to share, and thank you guys for how far this has taken us.
4 years ago, I've literally just flown over because it's exactly been 4 years since we actually took that decision. I took that decision to upload our wedding shoe game and our wedding video, and everything after then has just been amazing. Going from that to the community we've developed, to building such a beautiful circle, and all the opportunities that's come with YouTube, it's just been exceptional.
So if you're ready for some unseen clips, a little travel through the past up till now, then stay tuned for this video because we're going to be talking all about it and sharing some behind the scenes as well, because it ain't so cute sometimes, you know? Ooh.
So how did it all start?
Well, since you asked that, Anjola, so 2020 was a crazy year for most of us. As you know, the whole world, it felt like it had turned upside down. Huge change.
No, we need to get into that because that was literally what started our journey. You know, we got married in summer of 2019, and you know, things were nice, things were good, but we were just getting into marriage. And then to go from that to then finding out that we were expecting a baby, and then the world was just all of a sudden shut off. No community, no friends, no family. We were far from everybody. So honestly, that period was so difficult. But at the same time, it was what inspired the decision to start YouTube.
One thing, the one memory that I remember that I could just not let go of within that 2020, within the period that is not to be mentioned, is when the fridge stopped working, and I was so hungry. Like, pregnant women are more hungry than usual. Our fridge stopped working. You had to queue for ages to go to the supermarket. Just all mad. So it was so good that we had our way of having fun, because we've always vibed as friends. It's mainly, yeah.
You know what, to be honest, one thing I would say I did appreciate about being in isolation, I know that sounds crazy, was the fact that it gave us that time to actually concentrate. For once, you could actually sit in your house and not think, oh, am I ignoring my friend right now? And that made us more into YouTube, I guess. Yeah, starting YouTube at a time where there were minimal distractions was really helpful. I literally would not have imagined the amount of creativity and depth we could reach with our community here. Honestly, we did journalism at university. Which is where we met, actually. Check out that video. So we already had that background, but at the same time, it was definitely more intentional. All of a sudden, it became fun. It became something that we actually enjoyed. It was like our little project that we could work together, have fun, and feel like, you know, there's something else outside of this house that we're locked in.
Filling that gap of community was really the main thing that we've got from YouTube, even in our journey so far. So we became parents quite soon after.
Very soon after.
Really soon after. When we were just at home, we were just like, oh my goodness, expecting this new phase of life. Who else has been here? Like, we were expecting when we were in our really early 20s. So it was very much like bewildering. And thank goodness for mummy YouTube channels and daddy YouTube channels, because they really helped us to like demystify what parenthood was like, and we hope that we've helped to do that in a sense.
To be fair, that was also part of the inspiration when we started to see ourselves as creators. It was almost like we've gained so much from YouTube. We've seen so many other people that we've learned from. Is there a chance that there are things that we take for granted that other people might actually use? And that kind of made us keep going even after the virality of the first video.
So becoming mum and dad literally changed our entire world. If you're parents, you know how it is. It literally rocks everything you once knew.
Every single thing. I feel like we're scaring people. You got me ready, let's not pretend.
Yeah, being able to have a different sense of purpose in life, really. And having a different sense of purpose to our YouTube channel as well, where we're not only just having a vibe, chilling and doing our thing, but we are actually raising humans. The biggest responsibility ever, but being able to do that in community has been really, really wonderful. So one of the best memories ever in our journey on YouTube so far has been traveling to Kenya.
Oh my god.
When YouTube flew all the
guys,
Kenya.
Hold up. When we got to Kenya, oh my god.
It was litty.
YouTube really spoiled us, and that was thanks to YouTube Black. So we were given the opportunity to be part of the YouTube Black Voices class of 2023, and the amazing benefits that came from it, not just in terms of the funds, but even the opportunity to network with other YouTubers, other like-minded people, and there's so many other opportunities apart from this funding, by the way.
Even since YouTube Black, being part of the YouTube family in general has been such an incredible opportunity. I can't even believe that's coming out of my mouth. Being part of the YouTube family is huge. I would never have imagined they would gather up to 100 black creators from different countries and then take us to the motherland, Africa, and it was just so incredible. Such an experience, met so many different people who've just inspired our journey even more. And it just goes to show that YouTube is all about their creators. This platform is made of creators, and they are doing everything to propel us forward.
It's also been really amazing to find that sense of relatability, because all of a sudden the world is so small, because you can see people from, I don't know, Nigeria, Argentina, wherever in the world, who are going through similar things like we are. Even, for example, the craziest thing that ever happened to us, giving birth to our beautiful son at home, which for me was mind-blowing. You know, seeing even the comments of the videos and people relating to it, and many people had gone through the exact same thing. People that lived in the city that we were living at the time, people that lived thousands of miles away. It's just crazy to see how similar people's lives are and how people can, you know, relate to even the craziest of experiences.
Yeah, and life is so unpredictable. It's been really cool to be able to share our journey of the unpredictability, never knowing what's happening next, and just going through the motions and growing as people as well, and seeing how other people have been doing that on their channels too.
So let's talk about growing. Honestly, we've grown in so many ways on YouTube.
Yeah.
From our family, we started as 2, now we're 4. In terms of the numbers, obviously, we've got 70,000 brilliant subscribers. And, you know, just everything else, the community, the love, the new things about YouTube. Now we can do shorts, which is amazing, by the way. It's just been so much growth. It's been a beautiful journey, and I think that's what also makes this so important. You know, we're on many other platforms, but I feel like just due to the fact that this was the first, it almost feels like our little... Can I say little baby?
Yeah, I guess so. First baby. It's kind of like building a little document of life as we've gone along, and I hope that you guys have been appreciating that as we've gone. There's been so many of you who've literally stuck with us from the beginning.
The
4 years
OGs.
ago. The OGs.
And we know you, by the way.
And we know you. And we see your comments, we see the love that you give us here and wherever we are, and it just means so much. Thank you very much. One thing we haven't delved in on yet is how much it's actually benefited our finances. We've realised that it's actually such a huge blessing to be able to do what we love and do it together. And our love languages, in fact, we both have the same love language. It's quality time. Isn't that wonderful? No, but we both really love quality time, and it's to the point where if I travel and I'm on my own, I feel like I haven't even been to where I went because AJ wasn't with me. Like it's just not calculated. So the fact that YouTube gives us, you know, opens that door of being able to do what we love, hang out with each other, fill our love tanks, is just like the most incredible thing. It's like mind blowing. And there's so many ways to make money on YouTube, whether it's through shorts, long form like we're doing now. We've been doing a lot more shorts lately as well, so check them out if you haven't checked them out. And then there's also AdSense. A lot of the other platforms don't provide you a way to make money just by posting. Yeah. So AdSense has been great as well, and also working with brands like YouTube. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, YouTube. Honestly, I really appreciate it. Yeah, the awesome thing is there's so many different avenues to make money and to thrive here as well, for the support and tools that they give.
And that is just to say that anybody can do it. Honestly, we are testament to that. As long as you have something, just put it out there. So long you're passionate, it will resonate with people. And yeah, here we are today, just two regular boys and girls.
Thank you for all of your support, guys. It means the absolute world to us.
We won't be here without you. This is also to motivate anybody that's thinking about it. Honestly, get it done. Just grab your camera. Yeah. We started with iPhone 6, iPhone 5, I can't remember.
Maybe
whatever
10.
it is.
One of those. I wish you took a picture honestly. Of like our setup.
Yeah, but before we keep going on about it.
But that's our setup back in the day.
But that's just to say anybody can do it, honestly.
So with that said, another massive shout out to you guys who've been supporting from the beginning, the ones who've come along the way. Honestly, it means the world that you're here with us and just supporting what we do. It's just been amazing to share life with you. We have so many new videos coming out. So stay here for the journey. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel. Part of the crew. So yeah, thank you so much for being a part of this journey with us, guys, and we really look forward to the future.
We look forward to seeing your videos as well.
Yeah.
Make sure you upload
post it. If you're a new creator, please put your channel name in the description, and yeah, let's all support each other. It's an amazing community out here on YouTube.
Thank you to YouTube as well. See you guys soon.
See you soon. Bye bye.